This video will cover the introduction to the newly updated Administrator Graphical User Interface for the following Proxim products. The Tsunami QB-820 series, the QB-830 series, and the QB-826 series. Alright, so what we are looking at here is the new interface for the QB-800 series, which is the 825, the 835, and the 826. This new interface is available with firmware 3.3.x. Okay, so what we're looking at here is the system summary. It's better laid out. So let me go ahead and go over it. So kind of piece by piece. Over here we have Devised Details. It tells you if it's what mode it's in, bridge, routing, the IP address, Ethernet. If it's up, down, here's the Ethernet MAC address. Tells us the duplex, 1 gig, 100 meg, and so on. Over here we have our link details. Okay, if we did not have a link, this would be actually red, and then we have nothing over here. All right, we have the device name, the radio mode, and the wireless MAC address. So you could see we have A, B, and this is what they're called, and our data rate. That's what they're connected at. Wireless details just tells us our network name, the country that we have, the channel bandwidth, and our operating channel. Okay. Down over here we have our link quality. Okay, now the link quality basically it just represents everything that you see, everything that's happening within the radio. And you could go ahead and click a quick refresh, and it will change, or it'll change every 60 seconds. Okay. When you click on, for instance, SNR, it'll tell us what's happening. Over here we have our local remote SNR noise signal. Okay. Errors, the same thing. It'll tell us what our error rate is, our CRC and PHY errors. Once again, this will accumulate every 60 seconds. Okay. And then we have power. It tells us what our TCP, our ERP, and what the total power is. Okay. Now, overall, these do have different colors: green, orange, and red. Okay, that's the colors they're going to change by. All right. So for the SNR in dual stream, when it's green, both A1 and A2 SNR is greater than the minimum SNR. When it's orange, either of the A1 or A2 is greater than the minimum SNR. And red, both A1 and A2 SNR is less than the minimum SNR. In single stream, green is either A1 or A2 is greater than the minimum. Orange is either A1 or A2 is greater than the minimum minus negative 3 dB. And then red is either A1 or A3 if it's less than the minus SNR minus negative 3. Okay. Down here for the errors, okay, green is we have the frame rate. Error rate is 0. Frame rate is 1 to 5, and then it's above 5. So if you are accumulate a lot of errors, this is gonna turn red, and it's gonna kind of change. And then the power just always stays green. All right. So down here we have the link test. The link test is the throughput between the endpoint A and the endpoint B. Okay, we have videos that cover this. Just you could do uplink, downlink, bidirectional. When you click on verbose, this is going to give you information here. Click start, and it's going to give you a whole bunch of information about the link, your UDP, total throughput up and down, and many is the errors that the radio is seeing. Over here we have the spectrum analyzer. Okay, we could go ahead and set our channel scan time, low frequency filter, high. So if you want to scan for at a particular frequency between low and high, you don't have to scan the whole band. And over here we have advanced. Once you do advanced, it's going to give you all this information. Over here, once again, we have videos that cover all of this. Okay. And last but not least, we have the log. This is the event log. Okay, this is everything that's happening with the radio itself. Okay, and Over here we have all our typical information, how you logged in, what the system name of the radio, and then the type of radio and your firmware and build number. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Proxim Technical Support.
To learn more about Proxim Wireless and our solutions, please visit us at proxim.com or follow us at Twitter at Proxim.